Struggling with a page you don't need anymore in Adobe Express? Let me show you how to delete it in just few taps. Let's go. First, open your project and swipe or scroll to the page you want to remove. You will see a delete icon at the top right corner. Simply tap the trash icon on the unwanted page, confirm, and it's deleted. That's it. Deleting a page is permanent, so make sure you don't need it before hitting delete. How many pages do you typically use in a project? Drop a comment below. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.